Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this second part, I'm going to show you another version of the if statement. So in visual logic, we're here. Let us start by having input say value, and then we check the value here. If statement, if value equal to 5, then we will print here value is if it is equal to 5 equals 5. This is if it is true, if it is equal 5. If it is not, then we put another output here. This is a new thing we added here to the left. So value is not equal to 5. Okay. Now the difference between what we saw in the previous part, we don't have in the previous part anything here in this line. So that's why we have only if, and if the condition true, it will go through here. If the condition not true, then nothing happens. But here, if it is not true, which is false, then something happens here. So let us go to Java to see how this works. Of course, before we go to Java, let me show you how to run it. So if we run this, it will ask for a value. If the value is 4, then value is not equal to 5. If I run it again, if I put 5, value is equal to 5. If I run it again, I put 100, value is not equal to 5. Good. So now, in here I'm going to start a new file. And this file I'm going to call it test f2 for part 2 and finish. As before, you can keep this here, but write everything inside the main. This is what you need to learn inside the main. Okay, what we are going to write, we want to do similar to that one, which is put import, because we have input, import java.util.scanner or star word. And here the first statement here, I'm going to put scanner scan equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, now we are ready to declare a variable. Let me put the variable like integer value. Now I want to read it. Value equal to scan dot next int I capital for int. But before that, we need to put prompt. We call it prompt system dot out dot print enter a value semicolon. So this will prompt to enter the value, and the value entered here. Then Now we want to check it. If you have to put bracket, if value, you cannot say equal here, because if I say value equal to 5, that means put 5 in value. But here I don't mean here to put 5 in value. What I want to compare value with 5. Is it equal to 5 or not? In this case, and with all the conditions, we have to put equal. So if it is equal to 5, print dot out dot print, then the value is equal to 5. Else, see, now the other direction, which is else. So else optional. Either you use else if you need it. If you don't need it, that means if it is false, not true, just get out of the if statement. But if it is, if you want to use something like within the false, you want to do something, so I'm going to copy this and put it here. Then I say the value is not equal to 5. That's it. So now if I compile it, build, okay, build it, process completed successfully, then either you go ahead for print or you from here. So it is waiting for me to enter value. If I enter 5, it will say value is equal to 5. If I run it again, then print here like 7, say the value is not equal to 5. Okay, so this is how to, if you want more than one statement, then you know the trick is to put here brace, and here you put your commands here inside. So in this case, either one, it's fine, or you can put another statement like here. The root, the branch is true. What happens if I put here the branch is false? False. What do you think will happen? If you think this one related to this, you are wrong. So this is not within the else, because if take only one, unless we have the braces, curl brace, where whatever in the curl brace it will be run. Similarly, in the else, if it is one without curl brace, it will take only the first one and the second one not. That means if it is equal to 5, it will go through this one and this one, which is the branch is false. If it is false, it will go through this and that. Let us run it. So if it is true, which is 5, see through the 3 of them. Value is equal to 5, branch is true, and branch is false. And if you give it another value, it will be. How to make it correct? We have to put here curl brace, and we move these into the curl brace. Then now it is inside the curl brace. If I run it, with the value of 5, then you see only these, the value is equal to 5 and the branch is true. And if it is not, if it is 7, then it would be the value is not equal to 5 and the branch is false. So this show you how it works here. This is the second part. I will show you the third part. In the third part, how to nest the if together. Thank you for now.